Earth is home to more than 1 million known animal species. One type of jellyfish never dies. Hello friends, I am Shauryankush Raje and we will know such 10 unbelievable facts about animals. A blue whale, biggest living creature on earth, weighs as much as 3 elephants. Its length is about 30 meters long, which is more than 2 buses in a row. Snail, the slowest insect, can sleep for 3 years at a time. It can't survive without its shell. A dog's smell sense is almost 1 lakh times stronger than humans. However, they have less taste buds than humans. The venom of king cobra is so harmful that 1 gram of it is enough to kill 150 people. Their venom attacks the nervous system. Cobras mostly eat other snakes. This is the only species of snake in the world that builds nests. Honey is the only food that doesn't get spoiled. To produce 1 kilogram of honey, bees travel distance equal to 4 times Earth. Honeybees can flap their wings 200 times per second. Every second, your body produces 25 million new cells. That means in 5 minutes, you will have produced more cells than world's population. There are 1 million ants for every human in the world. Ants have 2 stomachs. And researchers found that first species of ant was found 133 million years ago. Octopus have 3 hearts. A female octopus can lay up to 4 lakh eggs at a time. The eggs take 5 months to hatch. Mother octopus guards eggs for months without eating food and dies after her eggs are hatched. Each and every tiger has a unique stripe pattern, same like we humans have unique fingerprints. No 2 tigers have the same stripes on them. Dolphins help their sick or injured members and they give themselves names. They are very friendly to humans and other animals. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.